Hey guys, this is the Fish Brothers. Now we are on our first fishing trip. It's March 16th to grab on the pond by my house. Sorry we didn't get our introduction video up as soon as we wanted. We didn't get it up as soon as we wanted to because we had a little technical problem. But we're just gonna fish with bobber lure because natural bait. Yeah, natural lure. Because right now it's early spring. They're just starting to move around because the ice just unfroze. So we're just going to throw in some natural bait. I already tried artificial earlier today. Yeah, didn't get a single bite, but I threw a worm in there. Bam. So we're going to start casting out. Hey, too many fish on here. Like I said, we're just fishing with worm and bobber. Oh crap, not the cast. Hold on. And we promise you, we'll catch you guys our first fish. Gonna have a bet too. Catch it. We're having good luck today, so. Oh, pretty windy out today. Yeah, it's on there. Probably about. I think I got one. Hold on. I got a bite here, guys. I got one. It's a double header, guys. Oh, you got one. You got one. I have one anyway. Yeah. Sorry. And
it's a little, but it's pretty good.
Sunfish.
At least it's
first catch of the day.
Yeah.
Actually, year.
Yeah, our first fish of the whole video.
Yeah. Kind of good. Yo, watch out for the slides too. Hooked it, bottom lip, see worm. There we go. Say hello, you're on YouTube, Mr. Fish. Hey guys, still haven't got a bite, but there'll be a couple things. Oh, there goes the boat.
Okay. Okay, this fish looks dead, dude. Take the. You can see, take out one just moments after we released that other fish that I caught.
We're back, and so we found a prize. I know, it's cruel, but that's got bass on this.
We didn't find any more worms, so we were just walking along this little creek thing, and the only thing we found was a frog, so we decided to use it.
Yep. Trying to reel it in a bit. Wait.
Might take a little bit, but I wish I could fish, but I can't find any more worms.
Okay, there we go.
I don't know if you can see the bobber or not. Try.
It's moving. Pushing up first. Could be the frog moving around. Come on, baby. Sink it. Sink it. Probably something's watching it. Someone at it. Or it could be the frog like I said.
Hopefully we do get a big old bass or something.
Yeah, that just squeezed.
Yeah, I think that's just a frog hopping around. Cast it out a little bit for me.
We'll be right back. We'll come back on.
Yeah, hopefully we'll have a big fish, but we'll come back on.
Oh, wait.
Oh, wait. It's vibrating a lot. Okay, well, we'll come back on once we get a fish.